Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use oval vitamin E glycerine suppositories. First, ensure your hands are clean by washing them thoroughly with soap and water. Next, carefully remove the suppository from its protective wrapper right before you are ready to use it. Find a comfortable position, such as lying on your side with one leg gently bent towards your chest, to make the process easier. Once you are in position, gently insert the pointed end of the suppository into the rectum. Use your finger to push it about 1 inch inside, ensuring it is past the anal sphincter. After insertion, it's important to remain lying down for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the suppository dissolve properly and prevents it from expelling too soon, maximizing its effectiveness. After successfully inserting the suppository, remember to wash your hands thoroughly once more to maintain hygiene. For storage, always keep your suppositories in a cool, dry place, away from any direct sunlight or heat sources. This helps maintain their integrity and effectiveness. Also, ensure they are stored safely out of the reach of children and pets. Always consult a healthcare professional if you experience any discomfort, irritation, or unusual symptoms after using the suppository. Do not use a suppository if it appears soft, melted, or damaged in any way, as its effectiveness may be compromised. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Remember to follow all package instructions for best results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.